All right, welcome to the third part of our press conference. Now with us, Troy Rosario, Justin Arana, Juan Gomez Deliano, Dwight Ramos, and June Mar Fajardo. Let's start it out with the most senior among the players in June Mar. June Mar, sinabi na ni Coach Tim kanina, you sent a long message to the team after the last window saying that you will hang up your jersey, pero hindi nagtagal yung retirement mo sa Gilas. You're back. Can you just tell us about why you keep coming back?
Siyempre, isang karangalan na naglaro sa national team. Sobrang blessed ko na mapabilang sa national team. Hindi mahirap para sa akin na mapasali sa team. So every time na may window, natawag yung pangalan ko. So sobrang blessed ko. So sobrang isang karangalan na ma-representa yung Pilipinas. So, and
Maraming salamat, Junmar. Next, Troy, you were able to play in the last window. Yung last game nyo against Australia, no Justin Brownlee, and Coach Tim said no Justin Brownlee for this window. So, ano yung pwede yung dalhin from that last game na wala siya, na pwede nyong gamitin moving forward against Jordan and Iran in this window?
Well, we've been in this team naman for too long, so tapos may mga bago pang mga players na nagdagdag, like Justin Arana. And I think kasi mga kami sa mga teams namin so kung madala namin yung mga laro namin and we play our own role na gaya na sabi ng mga coaches namin kanina, I think we will have a chance na manalo sa mga games dito sa gagawin sa Pinas. Yung experience din nakuha namin last window, sana may na-learn kami dun sa experience na yun na madadala namin next week.
Now, Justin, being part of the pool, kumusta yung experience learning under Coach Tim and playing alongside yung mga players na nakakakampi mo ngayon? Kumusta yung experience mo so far?
Yeah, this is big for me, syempre. This is once in a lifetime opportunity for me. So, yeah, lagi ko lang, my mindset is always ready lang. Yeah.
Dwight, big shoes to fill with Justin not being available. As a team, how do you kind of approach that and then not having to look beside you to see if he's actually there or not? How are you attacking the lack of a Justin Brownlee here in this window?
I think just by playing together as a team, everyone's going to contribute and play their role and play hard, and then we'll see what happens with the results.
Juan had a great game in the last window against New Zealand. How are you bringing that kind of confidence heading into this window?
Yeah, I'm just gonna come in with the same approach and same mindset. Pretty much just locking on defense, making the right plays, and kind of just let the game come to me, and not force any, errors or bad shots. Me being a point guard here, I'm just trying to make the right plays and yeah.
Bye. Junmar. So, yung magre-retire ka na talaga, last na tong window na to.
posible yung last 2 weeks ko na to sa national team.
Yung Asian Games ba, may chance pa bang nandun ka?
Marami naman players sa Asian Games, so bibigay ko na lang yung spot ko sa iba para naman na-experience naman nila kasi na-experience ko na yung Asian Games, so might as well ibigay ko sa iba yung experience na yan. So
Bye. Kasama mo si Kai uli and AJ, ano lang yung thoughts mo doon na gaano kung magiging malakas yung ilalim with kayong tatlo magkakasama sa rotation?
Sobrang laking addition si Kai talaga sa siya yung magsisave sa atin sa mga games natin. So malaking bagay talaga yung meron tayong Kai Soto sa team. So
Justin, ano lang yung pakiramdam mo na yun nandito ka na sa posibleng maglaro ka sa high-level games as a player ng Gilas. Siyempre, for many years sa PBA, ko isa sa mga best big man sa liga.
Yan, excited and syempre, bibigay ko lang yung best ko syempre and kung ano yung ibigay sa akin na role, talagang tatanggapin ko 100%. Bibigay ko lang yung best ko.
Paano mo tinitake yung experience since first day ng practice?
Talagang kailangan ko talagang araw-araw matutunan yung system, yung program. So, yan, one day at a time talaga. Kasi hindi talaga agad makukuha hindi ko agad makukuha in one day yung system. So, yun, tinutulungan naman nila ako. So, yun, it's a great experience for me.
Dwight, these two games very crucial for you, especially you're outside the top four in your group. Possibly you may have to sweep all of the remaining games or at least win majority of the games. Are you taking this must-win mentality, this approach?
Yeah, when we first started, we already discussed that we can't lose 1 or 2 games. We got to go shoot for being perfect, and then and give ourselves a chance to make the World Cup still.
What's your thoughts on their two opponents, Jordan and Iran?
We played Jordan before many times, but I think Iran is a little bit unfamiliar. But they're both good teams. Iran plays very good team basketball, and Jordan has some high-level individual players.
June Moore, you haven't confirmed yung retirement mo as of now, but the other players, they've been talking the same approach sila. Pero ikaw, from this, meron bang difference sa approach mo, lalo na crucial yung magiging games yung next windows?
Same approach din ng iba. Siyempre gusto namin manalo. Gusto natin manalo sa may panalo yung 2 games na yun kasi di natin afford na matalo kasi baka ma-out tayo. So yun nga sabi ni coach nakita rin sa amin kung ano yung magiging situation. So must win para sa atin. So yeah.
June Mar, sorry, ikaw ulit. Kahit hindi pa nga confirm yung sa retirement, pero ano lang siguro yung parang naisip mo na, parang huling 2 games ko na to, ano yung factor na napag-decidean mo yun or naisip mo yun? And ano na lang siguro yung reaction mo seeing na itong younger group of guys, nagpapakita na sila and meron ng nandito sa Gilas in case na mag-decide ka na last mo na?
Yung factor na matanda na ako, 36 na. Tapos, sobrang blessed ko nga na nakabalik ulit ako. Kasi after nga nung nabali yung tibia ko, naputol yung tibia ko, naisip ko nga na di na ako makakabalik sa basketball eh. Even sa PBA, di na ako makakabalik. Kasi yun yung lowest of lowest ko. Halos 2 years din ako nasa so nakabalik ako and then ginawa ko lahat ng mga therapy ko, kung ano yung pinagawa sa akin ng doktor, yung rehab ko, ginawa ko ng tama. So ayun, nabigyan ako ng second chance. So sobrang blessed ko na mapasali ulit sa national team. And then nakasali pa ako sa Asian Games na nanalo ng gold. Sobrang blessed na World Cup pa ako after ng incident na yun. So, yun. Doon ko kasi natutunan na nung time kasi na yan, pinapahinga na kasi ako pinapahinga na ako nila doc na kasi nga nakita na may hairline na yung tibia ko. And then, syempre, hindi naman pwede yan sa na magpahinga kasi nga nasa pa kami nun, umabot kami ng finals. So, ayun, yung naputol yung tinitake ko yun as hindi negative pero positive na approach na baka yun yung way ng katawan ko na okay lang mo magpahinga. So, ayun. Tapos ngayon, ayaw isagad yung katawan ko. Na-feel ko na may masakit sa akin. Pero yung isa, gusto ko pa maglaro ng basketball. Nag-i-enjoy pa ako maglaro ng basketball, pero hindi ko ma-enjoy yun pag may masakit na na iniinda. So, ayun, sa national team, mahirap yung sa national team kasi yung competition doon, high level talaga yung competition, so yung takbuhan. So, ibibigay ko yung spot ko sa iba na lang, sa iba. So, and then nakikita ko naman, marami naman, may mga young guys na, like Justin, like, sobrang taas ng potential na, mapabilang sa national team. So, ayan, sobrang bright ng future sa national team. Like, with this, young guys. So, ayan.
To Justin, since nabanggit ka ni Junmar, and Juan and Dwight na rin since kayo nasa younger side ng Gilas. Ano na lang reaction knowing na tiwala si Junmar, knowing na you guys are here, and especially ikaw, Justin, na at the same kayo ng position ni Junmar sa court?
Malaking bagay, maging factor si Kuya Junmar sa career ko talaga. Ever since kasi sila yung nabutan ko nung bata pa ako na naglalaro sa Gilas. So yun, sobrang nilook up ko talaga sila. And syempre, nabigyan ako ng opportunity. So yun, i-grab ko talaga, hindi ko talaga sasayangin yung opportunity na makasali dito. And syempre, yun, bibigay ko lang yung best ko. And syempre, kung ano yung ready talaga maging kung ano yung role ko dito sa team is bibigay ko ng yung 200%.
Yeah, I think Junmar and Troy and the other vets, they for sure paved the way for us young guys, no? And I think for us is kind of paano namin ipagpatuloy yung kumbaga napakita nila sa buong bansa. So how are we gonna continue like the tradition that they brought to the team, no? And us as the young ones here, we're just trying to do our best to kind of just follow through mga nabigay nila sa amin, and hopefully, everything will just fall in the right place, and sana patuloy-tuloy na rin ito. So.
Yeah, for me, I really look up to Junmar and also Japeth just for the amount of years that they were able to play for Gilas. It's really something special. And us young guys, it's coming to a time where it's our turn to take the torch that they've been carrying for so long, and we're just gonna keep working hard every day, and try and follow the footsteps that they laid out for us.
Justin, banggit mo kanina yung parang kailangan mo pang time to adjust, pero gano'ng kalaking bagay na nandyan si Juan, nandyan si Balti para magkaroon ng familiarity sa'yo, tsaka time for yung mga pag-adjust?
Sobrang malaking bagay kasi yung na-build namin sa Converge, kumbaga dala namin kumbaga yung maturity and yung chemistry namin tatlo sa Converge, kumbaga konting adjustment na lang kasi yun, tulad nung first day ko sa training, talagang ginaguide nila ako kasi ako yung pinakabago, so yun, sobrang laki para sa akin, sobrang andali mag-adjust pag nandyan silang dalawa.
Any final questions?
One, just going back to the point about Converge, kasi well represented kayo, what does this mean to you as a player and as teammate and as individuals?
Yeah, it definitely means a lot to us, not just for our families, for the team, and I'd say it's something that the organization of Converge, should be proud of. We, Justin, Bati, and I, we wouldn't take this for granted. No, not everyone gets the opportunity to kind of just represent the country, and like what Justin said, we're just taking it day by day, trying to soak in as much as advice and information as we can get from all the great teammates that we have, and that's what I said. It's just truly an honor to be able to represent not just Converge, but now we have the chance to represent the country all together. It's a whole different feeling.
Troy, medyo stuck yung lineup sa ilalim with Kai and AJ. So ano lang masasabi mo dun sa chances mo to make it to the final 12? Dahil medyo loaded yung front line natin.
Pag pinapatawag naman ako sa Gilas, kahit practice player or may chance na ma-line up, hindi naman ako nag-expect na ma-line up sa Final 12 agad. Siyempre, factor dyan yung sistema. Tapos siyempre, mas kailangan natin ng mas malalaki. So, ako, day by day lang, binibigay ko lang yung best ko, yung best effort ko every day para makatulong sa team. Ma-final 12 o hindi, wala na akong pag-alam.
Alright, I think we're all done with this batch. Thank you once again, Troy Rosario, Justin Arana, Juan Gomez de Leaño, Dwight Ramos, and June Mar Fajardo. Our last batch of players will be coming in just a little bit.